How we doing, guys? Jeff Whittle from Shotgun Nation out here again. I wanted to show you something new today from Black Aces Tactical. Currently I've got it tucked away in my Bees Combat System shotgun scabbard here. This thing is awesome. It fits on your back really nice, very comfortable, and works really well. This is the Black Aces Tactical Pro Series S 12 gauge firearm. 14-inch barrel, non-NFA, non-AOW, so no hoops to jump through to get this thing. Just order it, and it shows up at your FFL. So the cool thing about this is that this is the first 12-gauge non-NFA semi-automatic that's hit the market for less than $1,000. So definitely worth your time. The finish on it is beautiful. Even got a little Shotgun Nation custom engraving on there. Appreciate that, guys, at Black Aces Tactical. We got her all loaded up with some buckshot. They recommend a 5 to 25 rounds of buckshot to break it in. So we're going to put some of those through it. And then I've got a big variety of stuff we're going to shove through it and see if it works also. So let's go. We're going to be breaking it in with some Federal 12 gauge buckshot, 2 3/4. Load it up. Safety off. Here we go. Yeah, boy, runs pretty freaking good. Let's put some more through it, make sure it's broken real nice, and then we'll put some lighter loads through it also. Woo! All right, here goes some more of that buckshot right here, Federal 2 3/4. Got one more in there. Man, that's a lot of fun. All right, let's get some rifle slugs going on here. Get my grip on it a little better this time around, huh? Yeah. Nice, man. That's awesome. Let's go with some lighter loads, see if it can handle the light stuff too. All right, next up here, we've got the Winchester 1300. Just fine. Getting into the preload feet per second here. This one's only 1290. Lots of semi-autos that don't like the lower velocity. We'll see what this one does. Safety off. Woo! Man, that runs like hell, dude. That's awesome. Awesome. Alright, guys, this stuff is super cheap, super low muzzle velocity. It's just barely 1100. If anything's going to give this thing a problem, it'll be this stuff right here. Safety off. Awesome, guys. I am truly impressed. I put 10 rounds of buckshot through it for break-in. And I mean, I've thrown everything at it, man. That's all the cheap stuff I've got. I'm gonna load it up with a mixed set of stuff. I don't think it'll matter, but man, it runs on the super light stuff. That makes this a lot of fun at the range and a serious tool to consider for home defense. Check it out, Black Aces Tactical Pro Series S.